What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Abraham. This is Cars with Abe. All right, guys, so here's the deal. I wanted to make a better intro, but I'm actually running a little bit late. Today is, well, it can be an exciting day or it can be a very sad day. For a long time, my dad has been wanting to start his build on his 1964 Ford Falcon Futura Sprint. Now, a lot of the days it's been sitting. It's been sitting for like over, I don't know, like 15 to 20 years or so. Today is the first time that I'm actually seeing it in at least 12 years. And, well, we're gonna see if the engine turns over. So kind of exciting either way we look at it, just because it's kind of like a barn find for me, you know. I'm gonna help him build it so he can, you know, just kind of build it the way he wants to, and, you know, hopefully we don't run out of money. Catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we made it here, and honestly, I have like butterflies right now. Well, that was a huge speed bump, but I have like butterflies right now, and oh my god, it's so bad. I just saw it. Oh my god. So guys, like, I was totally amazed by like how it is right now. I mean, okay, so honestly, I was expecting it to be bad, but it's a little worse than I anticipated, honestly. So let's go ahead, get out of the car, and go check it out, see what you guys think. Here it is. Oh my goodness. It's seen better days. I think we can work with this, you know? All right, guys, so we had to stop because that dude was mowing the lawn right there, and it's hard to hear, but so this is what we're twerking with here. You know, like I said, it's seen better days. Hopefully that there's some oil in there that kept lubricated over the years, and hopefully we can turn this, but there's a bunch of, you know, spider webs as predicted and all that. So, wow. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would do with this beast. But I don't think it's too bad. So the reason why we're here is we are going to try and turn over this beast manually and see exactly what needs to be done. But primarily, we need to try and find out if this engine is seized. And, well, if it is, then we'll take it from there. So my dad is bringing the tools that he brought. I have yet to get some tools, but he's got the whole setup, so this is why it works great. So the crank is down there, the crank pulley. I'm gonna try and turn that. I think it's clockwise. All right, guys, so we got the tools out, and I've already gave it a whirl, and it does spin. I'm kind of surprised. I was expecting it not to spin. It is very, very rough and raggedy when I spin it though, but that's a plus. That's a huge plus. So I was more concerned about it spinning and, you know, being locked up and all that stuff. So that saves us some money. Obviously, we're doing this on the cheap because, I mean, my pocketbook only goes so far. But I mean, honestly, that's good. That's good news. But I think this beast is good to go. So here's the deal. We already know that it spins, so that's good. If you can see all this dirt and grime, that's all oil leaks over ages and ages. We don't know exactly how much oil is in here, but it's awesome because we just did pull the dipstick. Now, it was the #1 pull that we did, and it did show that it had oil. Now, this is good because now obviously I'm not a professional or anything, so don't take my word for it, but I do firmly believe that if there's no oil in that engine all these years, it's more prone to get oxidized and rusted up in the cylinder walls and so on and so forth because there's no lubrication. anyways, we're gonna take another pull on dipstick. We're gonna wipe that dipstick off, and then we're gonna see exactly how much oil is in there, and I'm gonna show you the condition of that oil. It pretty much looks like diesel oil though, so beware. So first of all, there's the first pull. Looks full, but look how dirty it is. All right, so it's almost full there. You guys can see that second pull, but that oil is so incredibly dirty. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Here's the plan that I have for y'all. Again, I'm not a professional on any of this, so take this with a grain of salt. It's not a how-to necessarily, but what I want to do is drain the coolant, whatever may be in there, or water for that matter, but drain the coolant, get some new coolant cap there, or radiator cap there. I do want to get all new connections for the battery here, terminals. They're so incredibly rough. New battery. Then with pumping the old fuel out of it and putting some fresh fuel, like 5 gallons worth of fresh fuel in there, I think we can make something happen. So obviously that there's so much more that needs to be done to this car right here, but I mean, you know, just to get it running, just to hear it putter, not purr, I think, you know, that's pretty much, and I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers that that's pretty much all we need to do. Smash that subscribe button, because Lord knows, look at this, we need some money. But anyways, without further ado, I think this effectively ends today's vlog. If you like this video, smash that like button. Let's try and restore this old beast and get it back to its original state. Peace.